Good morning, everyone. The we discuss about the estimate of septic tank for 50 users. So in previous class we discussed about the question, the what type of material used here in case of septic tank. So here the diagram is provided here. The plan of septic tank is provided, and L section of septic tank is provided, and section of soak pit is provided, and plan of soak pit is provided also, and plan of latrine provided, and section of latrine also provided. So here three plans is provided, for one is for latrine and one is for septic tank and one other one is for soak pit. So here the first we discuss about the plan of septic tank, which is L section of septic tank, and another one is the L section of septic tank is define the cross section of septic tank. So here the manholes is used, and the iron footstep also used here, and the iron pipe is connected with the latrine and septic tank and also the soak pit. So here first in case of septic tank we use the purpose of the discharge of the latrine, and here the from the latrine one pipe is connected which is called 15 mm dia anti-siphonage pipe, which is connected to the 10 mm dia SW pipe with the septic tank, and the septic tank is also connected with the soak pit with a pipe of 100 mm dia SW pipe. So here the total plan is given here. Here the different types of pipe is used, and plus claim is used, and standing wire also used, iron footstep provided in septic tank also. And then in case of soak pit, here the circular soak pit is provided, which is the diameter is 1.50 meter and the thickness of soak pit is 20 centimeter. And here the soak pit is provided with the 15 into 6 centimeter RCC for support of pipe, and 7.5 centimeter RCC cover also provided here. So in case of septic tank, here manhole is provided 2 numbers, and the iron foot step is provided, and here MS cover is provided 2 numbers. And in case of septic tank, here the 10 centimeter standing wall, RB standing wall is also provided, which is defined in the section of septic tank. And the 2 walls is provided, and 40 mm 40 centimeter diameter manhole is provided here, and 10 mm dia SWT 7.5 meter provided, 7.5 centimeter RCC cover is also provided. Then after that the 15 mm dia vent pipe is provided for the ventilation purpose in the septic tank. So first of all we going through the calculation part. So here the abstract of quantity estimation, first item number, then particulars of item and details of work, then number, length, breadth, height or depth, then quantity, then explanatory. So first of all we discuss about the septic tank and soak pit earthwork in excavation. So before going through any construction, first we need to excavate. Okay, so first of all we discuss about the earthwork in excavation part in septic tank and soak pit. So no need the excavation in case of toilet or latrine. So we only calculate here the septic tank and soak pit part. Okay, so here the we consider in case of earthwork in excavation in septic tank and soak pit. Here 1 number of septic tank is provided and 1 number of soak pit also provided. So first of all we discuss what is the length of septic tank and what is the breadth of septic tank and what is the height of septic tank. So here first we consider the septic tank length. So first we need to check here what is the length of septic tank. So here the length of septic tank is given 4.70, which clearly indicate here, which is 4.70. Okay, and the breadth of septic tank which is provided, how much? 1.90. Okay, so we can through the calculation part. So length is septic tank 4.70 and breadth of septic tank also 1.90. And what is the height of septic tank? So when we know in case of excavation, the height is considered from the bottom of the foundation to the ground level. So here the ground level position is here. So we need to consider from this point to this point. This is the height of excavation. The total height of excavation is how much? 67.5 plus 50 plus 40 plus 15. Then it is the dimension, all dimension in centimeter. So 67.5 plus 50 plus 40 plus 15. 15 is the thickness of CC or cement concrete provided in the bottom of the septic tank, and 40 is the dimension of a 40 centimeter wall which is provided in the as the first footing in case of brick wall. Okay, then 50 is the dimension of the 30 centimeter wall which is provided as the second footing in the brick wall, and the 67.5 it is the overall depth of 20 centimeter from the 30 centimeter wall to the ground level. So total distance is 1.725 meter, or we can write here 172.5 centimeter also. Okay, so the total quantity of excavation is for septic tank is equal to 1 into 4.70 into 1.90 into 1.725, which is equal to 15.41. Okay, then we go through the soak pit part. So here soak pit also one number is provided. So we know soak pit is a circular structure, or here the soak pit constructed in circular manner. So here the diameter is provided which is 1.50, and also thickness is provided here both in both sides 20 and 20. The overall dimension of outer circle here we consider is it is as 20 centimeter plus 150 meter 1.50 meter plus 20 centimeter. So here the dimension, two dimension of thickness is given in 20 centimeter, and the inner dimension is given in meter. So first of all the outer dimension or thickness dimension we need to convert in meter. So 20 centimeter is equal to 0.2 meter, and another the opposite side also 20 centimeter thickness is provided which is also 0.2 meter. So the overall dimension of outer circle is 1.50 plus 0.20 plus 0.20. So here the diameter of the soak pit is provided 1.90. Okay, it is the overall or outer dimension of the soak pit, which is which dimension? The outer, this point to this point, to total dimension of soak pit, outer to outer dimension. So here the area of soak pit we know the circular area is pi by 4 into d square. So pi by 4 diameter is given here 1.9. So pi into 1.9 square by 4. So what is the breadth of the soak pit? So we need to check here. What is the breadth? Here breadth or height is given in soak pit is 3 meter. Clearly given here 3 meter. So here the breadth or height is also we can write in case of height it is 3 meter. So pi by 4 into 1.9 square into 3.0, it is equal to 8.50. So the total value of septic tank and soak pit is equal to 15.41 plus 8.50, it is equal to 23.91 cubic. We know the unit of excavation is cubic. So then we discuss about the cement concrete part. The item number 2, cement concrete 1:3:6 in foundation of septic tank. So here We know septic tank Ilswan number is provided. Same. So today time is over. The remaining part of cement concrete we discuss in next class.